I do it for my hook star. Make some money. And never coming, but a lot of people ready talking about the dude. Must be doing things your favorite rappers be wishing it could. And no swagger right from a say for myself, would that be my hood? Yeah, I know, even the Bible talks about my hood. But since you can't safunyame, one can't tell me the hottest city we are killing good to crowd and I'm the king. I am like lion in Zion, the rap daddy. The one these childish rappers rely on. I spit bloody, cause MCs keep biting me. My net caught the eyes of everybody, all eyes on me. They don't mess with me, cause the nigga stands a big below. You test me and from where I stand, you go 6 feet below. I'm a lightning in the game, but me no Illuminati. They get
we should come closer.
Yeah, I bet.
Girls, no, babe, we just have to be nice.
Yes,
Here we are. Hello.
Hi, wow, just I'm even speechless, you know. Oh, is that? Now me catch us say I'm ye videos are your because sometimes you cram ne free. Tanzania ne America money are na ye kakwa. I mean say you beautiful girls for Ghana see that. We don't pam choam say as a man kakra. But you mo check up here anymore. But you some your family are.
Beam, yeah.
Yeah, so we dey pacho me na me manage you ma. Me busy wo Accra, me feel wo East Legon na ha say me sima me ma me. Na me ka say on go di holiday so America na lockdown opportunity ama me ba be share trick Accra. Until we dey buy madam for me. On na ye road manager. Oh like me kasa me come chick Accra na ma huni ba kwa me dey me. The woman say ya na most at the fagals F video ya na ye boka. Because stone up padi a F. Nti wona me ko fa ma bia bakeka ya na video shoot no mpne so. Sometimes me crab me free America, Mexico, UK money ade. I na Canada also but the way we sit here no 1 2 3 4 5. Me hu di home make say oni niam stone boy e fe woni video. Timpam cho say ha mo. Some beti ase a the next production. Stone ni Jay-Z a recorded track the year pe. I don't mind video. Yes, Stone boy. Oh, up again. Hello? Boy. Boy. Top skanker. Challenge number go there. Fast me say me PO. Mura kwa ndi phone brain na ja. Na me PH2 bi ni say ayi. Na challenge never cause it. Mommy pressure Stone boy, mommy pressure. Makata say won need Jay-Z video no me pese me nya abotre. Na me the international director. Who say you better Ghana has it because me pese me fly Jay-Z from America to Ghana, you understand? Now ye video no e war like African standard. Opa bro for Sam Dodo. Me come Mexico go check video for what reason? Boy. No, who say what na me na hokra say stop be ho no mas can dey ma foreign girls no. Say dey ma yan Ghanaian girls. Say akwa me niggas be dinkom. The my Ghana girls na better. What I say? Ghana ya o abo me can maybe omuja me say be twon picture there send do. Eti nya abotre Jay-Z or po he will fly to Ghana for the video shoot. Me meet you anaka. Na no ga say $1 million is ka keto me feature o sheka na be video as Stone na am so. Sanka say me na dey me kwa America me hwe ayi akoya so ayi akoya friend say Cassidy me hwe na so no small ba bonyo na be. Yeah, so I'm present ko ne sami me track bi. Girls in from bottom. Some person ne sami me yan mo Cassidy akra keto a pagya mo beti ayi twintwande bi say we yoga. Na lewen kra me de lewen kra ba Africa be bushu Cassidy wu gidi na be ya Cassidy. Abo how the mefo. Bye. Catch Jay-Z on relax. Okay, bye. On my life be say na man ni ko. Who say me catch Stone say only Jay-Z nyom. Say nyom release here. But
Don't worry.
Me catch say you release no nya botwe na. You am see pay video shooting. And say Yankopon nya mama be to these African beautiful girls here. Mama. Sorry. Me pam chongo fan chame say na ase kasa.
Enya bone kra but unfortunately we are not into this. We are students.
Hey.
But mama, one yam on coin.
Relax.
No. Mama, me do a video shoot just a day.
It's a student.
Listen to me.
I am
Me do a video shoot just even a day.
I am just
Me
introducing
tell $1,000.
Just a day.
Introducing myself.
Sorry, can I get your number? Hello.
I'm sorry.
Me do a video shoot just a day. $1,000. Why when you say capital? Sorry.
You just call her. You can't
Over
just
to me,
tell her. You can't just insult
Me,
her.
Boss,
Beam Nation.
Pastor, more interest to man.
yes, of course.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean, it's actually my right.
Mama, ore obi ani me number. Me pese be say say back for reflection, but I'm
Relax.
Mama,
One after the other.
Who didn't say?
Beyonce.
Ti me ya no flash na we dey na go first. Okay. Ti flash fast na me. E ba say we Beyonce. O say the Beyonce.
Okay, to say B lady kind.
Has it come?
Yeah.
Me ya na ba.
Yeah, we did not
Okay,
bad.
na-
I have
Save gold dia na GOLD gold. What's all they say? Kalisha.
Yeah.
and in the W and Calvi.
Yeah.
No, I
yeah,
said
no, something
Kalisha.
there, Oh, Charlie, get serious.
You know,
We
sir.
dealing with
Why? Ultimately,
serious issues.
Kalisha now, you know, sir.
Okay, but Black Beauty.
See that? I'm not using a phone at the moment.
Oh, okay, yeah, your number.
And yeah.
Yeah, but starting video now. Jay-Z better from Kubiso. On our better.
Hello,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
Beyonce.
I got
It's
it.
everything
No,
on
no,
one
yeah,
side.
the African thing, and then like structure and the yeah. Jay-Z better
Jay-Z
from
and
Kubiso. On our
Beyonce, you have to match.
Don't dictate for me, okay?
Okay, sorry.
But also,
Actually, I've misplaced my phone.
okay, yeah, your number no more.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah, Bekasa. Mo ho far from head to toe like munyina. We no more your phone. Yeah, Bekasa.
Shall we?
Can I read?
Yeah, you can go.
Okay.
I'm Stana.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Yeah, me too. I'm Mora. Me too.
Okay. But you're from me first, though. Somebody.
Oh,
Manager.
how why? Who Philip be mom?
Bye.
Okay. Yeah.
Wait. You pay one so. Oh,
Mama hwe ma.
who's a kabako hwe
Ayi na black man we make him say ono na ni ate black
Ah,
man.
ono so.
Asa ngo ya chimi asa ewu mu.
Hey, sana tease. But trust in the munja question. Look at body. What do you mean? Tease mo the way. To buy who could you win that girl so bold. Omo bom gya de pana mo. E de mo be se mo ko to so yawa me wa. Ne dia ne dia. Ha? Ade na mo be real kakra. Mo be real kakra de bi ko hood. Mo
Makasa o. Wo say asa me hu be vibes in free but say makasa sa me free kra te me say ba ba bia ka me ya flop ya tell me ka say obetna ga na me ka say obetna DJ. Who timi say na adwene mu do wa che me. Asa na me ka bi bia
look at
mama nkasa na me operate. Oh mama. Ti wo so no me hwe kra.
Oh, me okay. Me no be there. Oh,
Oh okay.
so you okay? Then?
Yeah, me okay. Me okay. I say some headache bi na na awie na ya me. I say
Sorry. Now what taking medication there?
oh me okay. I say adwuma pressure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Pressure need the bar. Let's see.
So na when say Kofi Aban.
Okay.
No per se me ma stone ne shatter yen bi.
Okay.
Yeah, so like back and forth na kofa say naba. The ground some black crack am catch so one or two bi am here or land ne so.
Oh, okay.
So me be a mango factory bi we trasi.
Mango factory.
E be
Now
produce
she's manager there.
No, sir, you should still have to do other business.
But
What
I
does
I still see no reason for you to invest.
No,
into
Debbie.
more business.
What's the artist me sorry cost run so about form.
Okay.
An artist or call from my manager and so call from. And they say na scare ban so when see which here hard.
Okay. I
Others.
get it. I think
What's
so.
that Osha mommy fee ya land there that has in our crown. The baby see some hostel you have.
Oh, so this is your mom's house?
Yeah, wait me see my mama.
Oh, okay.
It's like I was telling you the last time. She said back a momo campus girls he say nanka hostel me sin ka crack na mo dead them. What I see. Yeah. But okay, let's get back to business. I say when it was just by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now I say video not like me the way because say percent me the way permanent video works Emma Stoneboy what I say
Okay.
because no crab akope na girls na mo doso ba hu say me ntimi imprezi won kwa wo mo nim na me njai wo maka no
Okay.
basa ma de ase amoya ne
Yeah.
ba wona matepeo o picture na o de send me kwa me de Emma Stoneboy
Oh, I said Nani Jim.
hey aboy ni age
Okay.
hey na ma me de wa ho sit one to say we be reject o
Oh,
picture
dear. It be currency that.
yeah and they say no girls na me share one dey open na wa select o
Yeah, good semi pen I was selected.
Yeah.
Oh, my kind of dear.
asa mo pre
Omo
ba
pre,
ko aye
yeah.
friends usa asa hwan no
Or predator
asa
and
otimi frame me
sir.
60 times a day
Also, you busa no so on fair with
oh
Say our funny
ana
friend.
yeah friends say tuntum ne friends say oh
Jane.
Jane oh hypocrite
On also fair.
oh yeah on the disturb me
Hey.
be there but I mean what type of person
Friday no you know who to say there she's not involved
Sunny
in.
University
Hey.
me one person I say Mr. Dinipa and I'm sure so I could have positive vibe what I say
Thank you.
but so boy embe hard journey
Mini boy, there be mini boy crap. Me fe be crowd that. Me need
But
the way
say-
it's simple.
Yankopon de osi an yama na mama because last week I'm not girl jai
Oh, just last week here.
just last week yeah
Hey. Last week yeah.
just like the me grandma na me dey picture and stone boy crime catch the stone say like the way we sit here and say only boy and come me date
Oh boy, there me fe be crowd that. Me name the way almost city mpo. Boy, me fe be that. Me ne bi mpo.
until like they say juma na some they will see custom and they da hono see an come in $2,000 the amount or me am person be business be fafa na ma we see nti yen kan ye me anu yasem if I say like you move it together we okay o dem ba think about holidays na me dey obekon think about car papa na meto amade mo think about hotels papa ye be dem think about shopping papa bi am ye dey am na ma me answer o de dwena me pese me how de dwena ho
My
o de
Jane.
just imagine say bia me na nko akọ Jamaica na ye gi ye o de dwena ni nyina ho
Stone boy manager my dream ho
Nti
we. When
wo-
they say ni
wo
kwan
dream-
say me kodwen ho crowd. Matiasi.
o de ura corridor ni mo
Ai.
o ura ma san so ura mu second dawn ura mu me ba me di nkom
Patricia.
sisi e
Da,